This will bring in faster movement, reduce the cost of transportation, also the hassle. Because if all custom formalities are handled here, then as the Honorable Raksha Mantri was pointing out earlier, it will not create hassles for the people who are interested to promote the exports from this country. This will also create large number of jobs. Over a period of time, will bring in new opportunities to Goa. So therefore, this is a very important milestone for the development of infrastructure of Goa. Working out on a program as to how to work on the doubling of the tracks in Goa. So therefore, we are thinking about it. We'll take very valuable inputs from the Honorable Raksha Mantri also and find out how best that can be done. We'll also take the help of the Road and Surface Transport Ministry. We request Nitin Gadkari ji so that we can share the cost. That will bring down, because if we can have road as well as rail bridges made at the same time, this can reduce the cost considerably. But we'll also definitely try to work on providing better facilities for Goa, improve customer service as well as logistics support.
European Railways have already worked out flexible mechanism by which you can offload a truck anywhere you want. I had also given some data to मंत्री जी, तो उसको जरा अगर देख लें तो उससे डबल फ़ायदा हो सकता है. एक रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट से जो एक्सीडेंट एंड कंजेशन काफ़ी हैवी है, एक्सटेंड तक हो रहा है, वो कम हो सकता है. कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ड्रॉप हो सकती है. रेलवे की कॉस्टिंग बहुत कम है ट्रक से. डबलिंग इज एन एब्सोल्युटली एसेंशियल, बट समटाइम आई फाइंड, ऑफ कोर्स कोंकण रेलवे इज स्लाइटली मोर फ्लेक्सिबल देन द नॉर्मल रेलवे. Sometimes I find you plan everything together. Why do you have to plan everything together? If you plan certain section of Goa where it is easily possible to double, I think you can improve the local. I have been asking all the time to have a local train service, which is not that frequent. Or you can do even in Goa by lengths of 15-20 kilometers. Say 2 or 3 stations could be linked in doubling. Konkan Railway has done a lot for the state of Goa in terms of mobility. It could further increase.